After you start selling on Squarespace, keep up your momentum by expanding your customer base, continually releasing new products, and encouraging customers to return. Keep growing your mailing list by adding newsletter blocks to your checkout page and your site footer. When the newsletter block is part of your checkout flow, you'll catch new customers while they're already excited about your product. In your site's footer, the newsletter block appears on every page of your site and catches visitors who might not be ready to buy, but are still curious about your store. Our Unfold app allows you to create a free bio site that links to your store and any other important channels in your online presence. To drive more traffic to your site, use your site's built-in analytics to learn when visitors are most likely to visit your site, then time your product drops accordingly. Announce when your products will launch on your site using announcement bars, promotional pop-ups, and email campaigns. Adding new products on a regular basis encourages customers to keep coming back. Experiment with using keywords such as new or bestseller to highlight specific products in their product descriptions. Blogging is a great way to keep your site fresh for search engines. It can also be great content to share in email campaigns. When your site is visible to search engines, it not only attracts new customers, but it helps your existing customers find you again. Adding SEO descriptions for your site, pages, and products is a great way to improve your SEO. Take a look at your search keyword analytics to learn which search terms visitors use to find your site. Adding alt text to your images helps search engines identify your images and keeps your site accessible to all visitors. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.